some sugar, get some eggs, mix it together, mix.
Get some butter, get some sugar, get some eggs, mix them together, mix, mix, mix.
Add some flour, add some milk, stir them together.
Stir, stir, stir.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Ajin. Hola, yo soy Ajin. Hello, my name is Ajin Jo, and I'm currently a sophomore, 10th grade at Cheongsim International Academy. Since I live in the dormitory, I'm keeping on with the schedule that the dormitory and the school provides us. I usually look at neuroscience columns or New York Times columns provided via email. Sometimes, if I have time, I try to practice band with my friends, and I sometimes draw or write anything that comes up to my mind, which is still keeping up with my English skills. So my favorite content in 잉글리시에그 was this baking time book. I still remember when I was young, I used to sing along with the songs provided by 잉글리시에그, and I used to read this because I really wanted to bake cookies when I was young, and I like sweet things as a child, and my mom knew that, so she always showed me the videos which I like to sing along, and these always helped me with the fundamentals of English, which is still keeping on with me. So I do have this special memory when I was young. It was the magic coat provided by 잉글리시에그. So I really liked role plays when I was a child, and I liked to imagine things and think that I was like a princess walking through the rain. And my parents helped me that throughout watching the video and the book, and it still is as a special memory to me because I believe that was like the start of how my imagination factory worked until now. So as a student going on an international academy, I somehow use English in most of my times, and all the words that I can speak through right now was actually provided by 잉글리시에그 because the vocabulary and the words are remembered by my core memory, and the core memories are all provided by my young age, young me learning books and listening to them, listening to the songs and singing along with them. So I believe they are always consciously and unconsciously influencing me until now in elementary school, middle school, and high school. I really want to say that learning English might seem hard because it's actually learning a new language. If you try to learn English intentionally, it would be much more harder. So I want you guys to see English as like a role play of your imaginary friend. And I also have something to say to the parents or the mom of that children. My parents read me the books in real life, and I didn't look at them alone. By all the books and videos, I had a lot of connection with them, and the bonding between my family also increased. So I hope if there would be time, it's best to read all the books and the videos to look with the children so you guys can communicate more.
English egg!